papunta na tayo sa dito na pala tayo sa may Bukit Batok Nature Park. Ayan. Sige. Akyat. Akyat pa more. Pulis ni Ryan ah. Ayan. Lakad tayo. Yan na si Ryan oh. Ayan. May nagjo-jogging din. Ganda. Bilis ni Ryan ah. No smoking, no feeding, no poaching of animals. O may mga nagjo-jogging din doon no. Nagbabike also. Ayan, papasok na tayo papunta sa may small pond. Oh, not pond. Small lake. Sarap maglakad ngayon. Taas ng mga punong kahoy. Bilis ni Ryan no. Excited. Wala siyang ano ngayon, hindi siya maingay. Kung gusto niya hindi siya maingay. Ayan. Very focused. Naririnig nyo ba yun? Maingay. Ryan, wait for me. Oh, narinig niya ako. Minto na agad. Isang salita ko lang yan. Sinusunod niya. Yan. Layo na natin. Punta tayo sa taas mamaya. Doon may nag-exercise. Ayan, nililinis nila oh. Yan. Ang galing naman. Tapos yan. Ayun yung bulaklak niya. Ayan, natural na alis pa yun. Napakatahimik. Tahimik. Ilang beses na akong nakapunta dito. Gusto ko lang bisitahin yung mga turtles. So, hi turtle.
Hello, turtle.
The turtle coming. You smell as a turtle. You see? The head is there. Look at that. Where are your friends? Ayun, nandun. You hold this one. Nice, right? So calming them. One. How many turtles are you count?
1, 2, 3,
Louder, I cannot hear.
5, 6,
6, 7,
7,
8.
9, 10,
Really?
11, 12, 13.
Are you sure?
12 turtle.
12. Oh, that's nice. I can see 4 only. How can be 12? Hoy, bawal ang pitasin ito. Ayan oh, ang ganda. Ano ba yan? Diyan. Ganyan oh. Ganda ng araw ngayon. Look at the tower. May tower pa doon. Ayan.
Javi.
Nice. Tapos yung turtle. Ganda. Wala yung mga monkey ngayon. No monkey, right? No monkey. Ayan. Tapos may tower pa doon. And then oh, look at this. Ang ganda. Kalimutan ko anong name nito. Sweet pea. O yan yung turtle. Let's wait for other turtles, Ryan. So how many? I can see 3 as of now. They're coming here. Look. Hi, turtle. Hi, turtle.
Hi,
How
turtle.
4? I can see 4 already. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time 20, right? Because a bit windy. Look at that. And then this side. Come this side. We go to this side. We go and see.
All day. Ready on fire.
Very nice. It's a beautiful life. Oh, 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 oh. Ang ganda ng pagka-yellow. Kukukukukuk. Kukukukukuk. Kukukukuk. Taas ng tawa. Oh, it's already more than 2 minutes. This side mayroon ng ano, turtle. How many turtle, Ryan?
1, 2, 3,
4 also?
6, 7, 8, 9.
Are you sure? Why your voice like that?
13, 14, 15, 16 turtle.
16 turtle? Are you sure?
Yeah.
How come I cannot see the others? Oh, there are also turtles here down below. Right. Oh, nice rock. I can see how many turtles?
Turtle.
2, 4. Also got
4.
more, and then another one, big one. The water is a bit clearer than before. See? No fish today.
Yes.
No fish, right? No fish. This one. Okay. Another one. Oh, a lot of fish already. I can see now. You can see the fish, Ryan? Can you see those fish?
1, 2,
Wow, so many here.
5,
Oh, I can see now. Just now, I couldn't see. Diyan makita, tatay. Diyan makita ko na. Nice, right? Oh, this one, Cheating. You walk more. Yeah. Don't cheat, ah. Slowly. So clever. You follow me. Swing your arms. Walk. No, swing your arms. Swing your arms. Swing. Just swing, Ryan. Just walk. Walk. Ryan, walk. Faster. Faster. Like that. Better. Oh, good job, Ryan. Pauwi na tayo. Pero mahaba pa rin yung lalakarin natin. Yan, galing tayo doon. Ganyan. Pa naman. Pababa. Pababa. Kanina paakyat. Dito tayo dumaan kanina. Nagumpisa. Yan, dito tayo nagumpisa kanina. You see that one? Monitor lizard. Look. No. Where is it going?
Laser.
Monitor lizard. Parang uy, bayawak. Laki niya, no? Right. So big. Oh, going to the tree.
Yeah, geese, no
Is it?
friend. No friend.
Scary. And then paikot. Ang ganda ng view. Marami pa rin papuntang nagja-jogging. Ayun. Makakain kaya to? Ganda dyan, oh. Green na green. Green na green. Say green na green.